Hello lovely friends. It has been a beautiful start to the day, nice and slow. The elf bought Mason some cupcake cases, so we did some cupcakes this morning. They didn't last long. The kids have already devoured them. I would have loved to have shown you how they turned out, but they pretty much just evaporated into mouths. So yeah, it's been a lovely morning. I'm now going to go out. There's a big bat poo on the back of my car. Ugh. Anyway, I need to go and get a few groceries. Before I do that, I have to remember to go to the bottle-o. I need to get a bottle of rum and some wine. I always forget to go. I've been meaning to do it for ages. My husband and I don't really drink. We're not big drinkers. It's not that we don't drink. We just don't drink. So, and at Christmas time, we tend to like to have a drink. It's probably the only time of year that we really enjoy it. I think because we do take some time off work and it is nice to be able to do it then. So I need to go to the bottle shop first because otherwise my groceries will melt. So I need to get a bottle of rum so that I can make some rum balls. And I need to get some wine because I just fancy a glass of wine. Guess what I forgot to do before I went and did the groceries? Yep, I knew I'd forget. I will have to plead my case with hubby and get him to get some rum on the way home, or I won't be able to make my rum balls tomorrow. Honestly, I just have no memory at the moment. I can't remember anything. Seriously, you can't get me to do any jobs. Good evening, my lovely friends. The day is done and dusted. I had a really lovely, very slow paced day today, and it was marvelous. It was so marvelous. I'm going to open the advent calendar with you now, and then I think I'll call it a day and hop into bed. So let's have a look. We are on day 9. So let's pull this out. It is getting lighter. Let's have a look. What's in day 9? Oh. Pull that one down. Okay. Bit heavier. Ooh. What is this? Makeup removal wipes, are they? Nourishing oil wipes. Removes makeup, rich and antioxidants, cleans and hydrates, improves skin tone, and it's sensitive skin formula. Australian owned and operated, full of goodness, 100% natural, contains certified organic ingredients. It's called Jack Face with rose oil in it. Oh, this looks really nice. So I don't generally use makeup wipes. I know Katie loves them. So I think I'll let her have them, but I would love to give it a go myself because they sound nice. So there's 25 in a packet, and they are 100% natural and biodegradable, which is awesome because that is pretty much why I don't like using them, is they just take so long to break down. But these have got lots of little awesome, environmentally friendly, big fat ticks. Fabulous. That's awesome. Oh, Katie will be a happy girl. I wonder if I can open it and smell it. She won't mind. You know I love my smells. Okay, not a lot of perfume. Not a lot of perfume. Oh, she'd never even know. Sensitive no tears formula. Well, I wouldn't want it to make you cry. Goodness me. Right, well, that's that one. It has been lovely spending today with you. I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow, and tomorrow hopefully we'll be able to do a little bit of cooking. I want to make some rumbles and some snowballs, so it'd be great to show you the recipes that I use for those, and who knows what else we'll get up to, but I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.